different soils of UP, which is even not very much suitable for the agriculture activities, but they have a specific, they have the specific kinds of mineral reserves, right? जैसे कि if we talk about that southern या southeastern UP, that is in Mirzapur and Sonbhadra, right? That area, the Vindhyachal zone, that area have the, you know, red soil, and kind of, so that kind of soil has the aluminium deposit. So other types of industry, that is your manufacturing industries, have the, here the Hindalco will be, Hindalco is located here. Then we talk about in the Sonbhadra district only, there is a cement factories, right? Because of the soil contain the limestone or such kind of mineral reserve. Dala and Churk specifically are famous for that cement industry. Then we have talked about the Bundelkhand region. Bundelkhand region, a little bit plateau region, that is also not very good, not very good suitable for that agriculture activities. So that area is also famous for that defense corridor zone, जैसे कि कानपुर, आपका बुंदेलखंड रीजन, यहाँ पे आपके the major two defense corridor in India, one of them is located in कानपुर, ठीक है. Then we talk about that लखनऊ वाला area, ठीक है, the or the kind of the लखनऊ area is also developed for that different types of pharmaceutical industries, जैसे कि if we talk about the NCBC or NCBI or NDRI, National Drug Research Institute, right? So such kind of institutes are also located. These are not only the educational institute for the sake of it. Please connect the one topic to diverse topic. This is not only the educational institute, but they are also showing that pharmaceutical industries, right? Connect the core sector with such kind of economic activities too. Uske baad, if we talk about the other region such as your Kanpur ka region or the Varanasi region, so that kind of area, it is actually famous for that tourism sector industry, right? Or we can say that cottage, sorry, handicraft industry, such like that. Okay, so in today video, this all we have just discussed, we are going to talk in the sense of the PDF form. For that kind of introduction of any kind of question which you can generally which can generally which you will face in that Uttar Pradesh Public Service Mains paper. Okay, so this is something that industries of Uttar Pradesh. Historically, UP was the industrial heartland of North India, but growth was largely restricted to the traditional sector. As we have said that because before independence, that majority of this region, Northern Plains or that Great Indian Plains, right, it is famous for that agriculture activity.